It's Christmas! And living in a van, I do not have an oven. So, we're going to bake our Christmas ham over a campfire. Or at least we're going to try, because I don't have a Dutch oven and all that kind of stuff. So, I got this big spaghetti pot kind of thing at a garage sale for 50 cents. And I got, well, this was one of those square baking pans kind of thing, and it was a set of 2 at the dollar store. So I crunched up one, and hopefully you can see it right down in there. Maybe? There we go. I crunched up one in the bottom, upside down, in the bottom of the pan, and I put some water in the pan to help keep things moist. And then I dumped the ham, beautiful hump, bone and everything, big old ham. Put the ham in, face down, on top of the aluminum, whatever it is. Ham juices and everything went in. And then bent this so it will go over like so in the pot. And then we're going to get a nice fire going. And we're going to cook our Christmas ham on a campfire. Okay, so we've got the ham in the pot on the fire. And if you're wondering around all this trash, we're going to clean up before we go. We left it in the fire like I found it, just because we figured, you never know, some cans can help with the heat, right? Go on. So, for anybody worried about my pan discoloring, it may discolor. I don't know. I was told by a friend that if you put oil on the outside of it, if you oil the pan first before you put it in the fire, that you could just, you could just wipe it off when it was all done. So the only oil I had available right away was coconut oil. Too hot? Okay. So the pan apparently is way hot really fast, because we did put it actually on the fire. So it should be interesting to see if we could actually get it off the fire. You know what? I have hangers.
Yeah, I need them.
So, okay. We're going to be clever, and we're going to use wire hangers to hook underneath the handles. And we're going to bend them and use them as hooks. Here's the unveiling. See what we got. We already glazed it and then set it back in for a while. Look at that beautiful ham. It's steaming.
Oh, that's nice.
Perfect. Okay, you want Carmen to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Go for it.
Right here?
Wherever you want. Backward. And it's spiral size, so it might just come off all crazy like.
Yes.
Or we could just hit the bone.
I was about to say. Yeah, I think I hit the hock.
Yeah, so let's go another section.
Whoops.
Should we dump the water out of it?
I don't think so.
Doesn't fall down in it? Or?
Is it hot?
I don't know.
No. joking. That's a good sized piece right there.
Look at that.
Hang on. There.
On a campfire. Christmas Eve. Eat your heart out, world.